where you can begin the application process by clicking Sign Up. You can click here to review eligibility criteria before you start your application and browse frequently asked questions. And if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you'll need to create one before you begin the application process. When you're ready to apply, enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Once your LinkedIn account is authenticated, you will be taken directly to our simple 4-step application process. It takes less than 10 minutes to complete and allows us to get to know you and understand the current stage of your startup, which is crucial to providing you the right benefits and resources. Step 1 of the application is Introduce. This is where you'll ensure we have the best email address on file for all communications related to your Founders Hub account. You'll also provide some details about your background that explains why you are uniquely suited to lead your startup. Step 2 is Explain. This is where you'll provide a name and description of your project or startup. The more you share, the better we'll understand the vision for your software-based product or service. If you have a website, enter the URL here. The third step is Elaborate. This section will help us understand where you are right now in your startup journey. Let us know which development stage best describes your project by selecting one of these icons. If you're not sure, you can click here and we'll explain each stage in detail for you. Then select your funding stage and let us know about any partners you are working with, Microsoft affiliated or otherwise. If you don't see a partner in the drop-down menu, you can list them here. Next, we ask you to provide an accessible link to a product demo or idea explanation video. If you need help creating a demo video, click here and we'll walk you through it. If you have any other public-facing links that might give more insight into your project or startup, there's a space here to provide those as well. These can help validate funding, partners, or customers too. The last application step is Finalize. This step helps us understand how far along you are in the business formation process. Business is incorporated and provide the legal address that matches your incorporation so we can verify it. If your business is not incorporated yet, you can provide your business or home address. The last step is to provide the email address of the Microsoft employee who referred you. If you weren't referred by an employee, you can leave this blank. When you're finished filling out your application, click here and you will be redirected to a confirmation page. You will also receive an email to verify that we have received your application. It typically takes no longer than 5 to 7 business days to review. If for any reason you no longer wish to apply, you can click here to delete your application. You can also export it for your records by clicking here. While your application is being reviewed, you can click here to see our frequently asked questions or submit a support ticket for additional help. And that is how to apply for Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub.